Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create videos with Gemini 3.5 Flash. So let's get started. First, open Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in the chat interface, you can use Gemini to help plan and create your video content. Start by describing the type of video you want to make, such as a tutorial, marketing video, YouTube short, product review, or educational video. Next, ask Gemini 3.5 Flash to generate a video script. You can also have it create scene descriptions, shot lists, voiceover text, video titles, descriptions, and hashtags. The more details you provide, the better the results will be. After generating your script, review it and make any changes you need. Then copy the script into your preferred video creation or editing software. You can use AI video generators, video editors, or animation tools to turn the script into a finished video. If needed, ask Gemini to create image prompts, background music ideas, thumbnail concepts, and transitions to make your video more engaging. This can save a lot of time during the production process. Once everything is ready, assemble your clips, add the voiceover, include text and effects, and export the final video. That's how you can use Gemini 3.5 Flash to speed up the video creation process and produce content more efficiently. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.